Pretty exciting episode of something I want to share with you today. A couple weeks ago, there was a post on X by Ann Barella that showed a sub $30 laptop on AliExpress. And as you know, if you follow me for any period of time, I like crazy things from AliExpress. So I went down the rabbit hole and I ordered a $16.30 2024 new laptop computer, Windows 11 Pro Ultra Slim Notebook, 14.1-inch Intel Pentium N3700, 16 gigabyte, 1024 gigabyte Office Study PC computer with free shipping. Now, this is not my first time on the internet. I know this is not. I don't want to call it a scam. It's a thing. I'm going to get something. It's not going to be a Windows 11 Ultra Pro laptop. We all know that. But what is it going to be? And what is it going to be for, in my case, sub $20? So looking at this, we already know I bought it. Quick editor's note: when I was collecting the B-roll for this footage of the website, this posting was actually taken down. So thankfully, Anne had another link for a very similar spec machine. Probably the seller opened their store and is trying to pawn their stuff again, but this time it's a more believable price. At the time, there were no reviews. It came in various colors. I got the 16 gig 22, or correction, I got the 16 256 gigabyte color option, but it goes the whole way up to, looks like, yeah, 16 gigabytes of RAM up to 2 terabytes. That's obviously the RAM hard drive size, right? And if we scroll down to the specification, this comes in business style, which is always exciting. But under the features, it has everything that you would expect a laptop to have. It talks about the screen size, the resolution, the RAM, solid state SSD, the various ports, USB, HDMI, audio jack in and out. It does have a webcam, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, multiple apps, books, calculator, clock. Everything that you would think. And the package includes one laptop, one user manual, and one power adapter. And then there's some interesting images of it. Now, this too good to be true, right? And quite frankly, it really was, because now, as I'm filming this item is no longer available, and the AliExpress seller, you can't click on their store anymore. So basically, this popped up, people bought it, reviews started coming in, and I have it here today. This is not what you'd expect from a laptop at all. I know what this is already because Anne posted on X and we were talking about it, but I'm going to, and I haven't opened this before, so we're going to unbox this. Not even unbox it, unbag it right now. This did come, USPS is how I got mine. We'll just cut the top off. And instead of a new 2024 laptop, they sent this, a wireless keyboard. A incredibly cheap wireless keyboard. Now, I'm not terrible. I mean, I'm a little bummed out. I'm not terribly upset because I didn't spend a lot of money on it. But because of the way AliExpress works, there's variable pricing on this. And when I was originally posting this, people, when they would click on the link, it would be $20, $30, $40, sometimes more. So it's interesting that there was such variable pricing for a cheap keyboard like this. Now, in the X postings between Ann, myself, and a couple other people, Ron, my buddy Ron from Ron's Computer Videos, actually found this keypad. And it's, this is a no-name one, but it'll sell for, really sub $15, $20. And it certainly feels like it. It is a Bluetooth keyboard, incredibly thin, horrible feeling keypad. It does have a charge, so I'm going to see if I can connect it to the MacBook Air here. Let's give it a second. It's connected, and can we type? Yep, and it types, and it is hideous. This is not a Intel laptop at all. So, what did we learn from this? Probably not a whole lot. Don't just randomly buy stuff on AliExpress. But you know what? We're gonna open this up. Okay, I think now I have a small enough screwdriver to open this up. These are incredibly small screws on the back of this. Now, there is free returns on this on AliExpress. I'm not going to do that. Okay, so we got the 12 screws out of this, and it is... Wow, there is not a lot in here. We do have the keyboard, right? Pretty crappy membrane-ish keyboard. There's a very small PCB held on by 3 screws. Let's take a look at that if we can. I really expect just not a whole lot going on here. So it does have USB-C charging. We have a couple ICs, a ribbon cable, and that's it. And then we have what looks like a 3.7 volt, 150 milliamp battery. And that's it. USB-C, keyboard encoder, and a battery. And that's it. In all honesty, for what I paid for it, I think I paid too much. This is not worth... Man, if I paid more than $10 at this, I would probably be a little upset just because of how cheap it is. Now, impressive. The back is metal. It's sheet metal. Didn't have to be metal. It could have just been a plastic sheet, and they would have got away with it. But the sheet metal was there to make it feel a little more sturdy, I guess. I'm not upset. I can't even get that screw to work. I'm not upset. I'm not disappointed. I'm shocked I got anything at all because realistically, I expected like an Android device or a really slim Linux device, right? Thinking they were actually going to deliver on the laptop part of it. But no, it's not even a laptop. It's not even close. This keyboard doesn't even look like the keyboard on the laptop. That's okay, right? Live and learn. But yeah, no, I expected some operational device. But yeah, probably a Android box. Now, hey, it is what it is. It's AliExpress. You hit and miss all the time when you buy things from AliExpress. I'm not even going to attempt to return this. To be honest with you, I don't think it's worth my time to go through the return process in this. And you know, it's kind of nice having an extra Bluetooth keyboard laying around. I'm probably going to use this. I might put a bigger battery in it because that's a dinky little guy. I don't regret this. I'm not upset at all. Well, that's a short video, huh? Well, I promise I'd do an unboxing of it. I promise I'd give you a video. Here's a video. Here's my 2024 new laptop, Windows 11 computer with books. Thanks for watching Retro Tech or Die. Tell your friends. Catch us next time.